Hello teacher friends, I hope you've been having a good week, or if you're heading into the weekend, lucky you. I just wanted to share this latest set of teacher printables that I put together for a teacher planner. So the issue is that I was looking online to find something that would be useful for me, something pretty basic that would let me kind of do a monthly overview, maybe a weekly overview, and also a day by day with a to-do list, and I really couldn't find anything that suited my needs. I found that the space was too small, there were big margins where I felt like you could have just used more space, so I ended up creating my own, and that's what I'm sharing with you now. So what I did is I went down to my local stationery store and I bought this cheap blue plastic folder. Of course you could use a ring binder. This one is A5. I wanted something quite small. And then I got some of this lovely paper which is used for, what's it called? They'll come to me, I'll remember in a minute. And I just used glue and put that over so I could choose and customize my own. The one I got is a 20 ring binder, and it works like this. So you just pull this down, it opens it up, and you can insert your pages and you can close it up again. And the reason I bought this is because I wanted something that I could use year on year, because I am a big believer in recycling, upcycling, reusing whenever possible. So with my planner came a bunch of dividers, which is really helpful. As you can see, I also got this handy little pack for holding things in, so I found that really helpful as well. And then what I did is I just went to the printer, did A5. Of course, if you can print them A4 as well if you want, and if you have a different paper size, I recommend that you fit 2-page in your printer settings. If you're not sure how to do that, a quick Google for your particular printer will let you know. And here you can see I've printed off my pages and put them in. So, you know, this cost me pretty much nothing except the paper and whatever it costs to print, and it's nice and handy. It fits in my bag because it's so small, and I hope that you find it useful. If there's anything missing or another template that you would like me to add, then let me know. See you later.